us here at the Greater Pittsburgh Community Food Bank here in our nutrition kitchen to go over our ingredient of the day, brown rice. Brown rice is great because it's a whole grain, it is full of fiber, it keeps us full. So without further ado, let's get into it. The recipe we'll be making today is bean and rice stuffed peppers. The ingredients include 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 4 bell peppers, 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, half a cup of onion chopped, half a cup of shredded low-fat cheddar cheese, 1 cup of cooked brown or white rice, and 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed. From the food bank, you'll get dry rice. This recipe, you could use white or brown rice. Here we're using brown rice. First, as you can see, we want to rinse our rice to release the starches so our end product is better. Once your rice is rinsed, you'll know it's perfectly rinsed whenever the water runs clear. You want to add your rice to a stock pot. Then, after the rice is added, you'll add water. Here you want to use 2 parts water to 1 part rice. Once it is boiling, we want to add a pinch of salt, maintain that simmer, and cover. Once 20 minutes is up, you want to turn off the heat, but not peek at the rice. First thing we'll want to do is preheat our oven to 375 degrees. Next, we'll want to cut our peppers in half and remove the seeds. Next, we want to place peppers cut side up in our baking dish. In a separate bowl, we want to add our cooked rice, beans, tomatoes, onions, and seasonings. Next, we'll spoon in our rice mixtures over our pepper halves and sprinkle with 1 teaspoon of shredded cheese on each pepper. Then we'll bake for 30 to 35 minutes. You'll know that this is done whenever you take it out of the oven and the edges are brown and crispy and the cheese is melted. This recipe was developed by the food bank. We love it because it incorporates a ton of veggies, it is low fat, and it has lean sources of protein. Thank you all so much for joining us today. If you like this recipe, it and many more can be found on our website. If you are interested in the food bank or any of the services we offer, please give us a call or visit the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.